سليلو وهبت ليه روحي العليلة أننو ماله جننا.
Welcome to the Bakhoor Journey series. Today we're taking a different path. We're not making Bakhoor, we're making Muaatar. Muaatar is different from Bakhoor. The word Muaatar means perfumed or fragrance. Skilled perfumers would take precious wood chips and carefully soak them in luxurious oils, allowing each wood to absorb layer upon layer of scent and oil until every wood is fully infused with the fragrance. Traditionally, only the finest ingredients were used to make muattars: rich wood, pure wood oil, precious resins, musk, amber, and floral extracts were blended together to create a scent experience fit for royalty. Even today, muattar remains one of the most luxurious forms of Arabian incense. For my muattar, I use Arabian wood chips and a deep Arabian luxury oil perfume, which is also known as oud attar, and I use musk crystals of the finest grade to achieve the most amazing heavenly scented oud musk muattar. And the result is a heavily scented muattar that releases waves of fragrance long before it touches the charcoal. This is modern incense. This is tradition, craftsmanship, and luxury preserved in every wood chips. Welcome to the Muattar journey. Welcome to the Bakhoor journey series. Don't forget to like, share, comment. I am going to see you guys in the next episode tomorrow, inshallah. Bye bye. Assalamu alaikum.